Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can see, I have a Garmin Forerunner 235 watch, and I've just bought it, and it cost me about $290 Australian on eBay, which is probably around 200 and let's say 50 or something like that US. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's just the back of the case, and it's got some description there, and basically it is a GPS running watch, so it can keep track of where you are, how far you're running, things like that. And it's got downloadable apps, widgets, things like that, and let's just see what you can do with it. So there's the watch, GPS, smart notification, steps, Connect IQ apps. Okay, so let's open it up. Alright, there's the watch, Forerunner 235. And how do we open this? Pull it open from here. Finally figure it out. Whew. There is a user manual, quick start user manual, and the watch, and a USB cable. USB cable, and what is on the other side? It doesn't look very familiar. What's this? Some sort of clip. Alright, and then there's the watch. And is that a little crack? Yes, I can peel this off. So the crack is only on the plastic cover, thankfully. The plastic cover, let's take it off, and there's your watch. And it's got these four things here, so I'm guessing that's where you put this thing on to charge it. I guess that's what you do. So the user manual has all of these languages, so I guess we'll just read the English one. Align the charger posts with contacts at the back of the device. Connect the charging clip to securely to the device. Charge the device completely and press 2 to remove the charger. Okay, so I'm going to start charging it. And see what it looks like when it's charging. So on the back, you clip it on. Alright, and let's just put this in the charging port. And you can see that a little symbol has popped up to say it's charging right in the middle of the watch. So if you take this out, the symbol's gone. And then you put it in, Garmin, and it's charging, and it says that there's not much battery because that's just a red line on the left. So we'll let it charge and then come back for episode 2. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.